If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Morning Davao, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. This is Gilbert Lopez Martir Caso. Welcome to the Pinoy YouTube channel, Good Morning Dabaw episode. Of course, your host, Gilbert Lopez Martir Caso. I am here with me right now. We have two distinct ladies, beautiful ladies, and we will be talking about something not, but of course, we are here now in Lower Arroyo, Matina Crossing. And of course, I would like you to meet.
Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Hi, I'm Ruby.
Okay, Jerry and Ruby, they are a resident mother here in Lower Arroyo. All right, and we are, as you can see, or the situation right here right now is the community is preparing for their Christmas celebration. Of course, Pinoy also participated to celebrate their Christmas celebration, and Pinoy is very particular on how we celebrate it. And these wonderful ladies here are going to talk about how they spend or they celebrate their Christmas. Of course, guys, please bear with us if our English is not too good. We can also speak Tagalog. And of course, Bisaya. Bisaya taday kay Bisaya ang talag ko. So, of course, but then so that so Rob can also understand us a little bit English. Okay, if can't talk really, you can talk in Tagalog. So, both of you, how many years as a resident here in Arroyo?
Me, I am 9 years living here in Arroyo compound.
Wow. How about you?
Me, 8 years.
Wow, 8 years and 7 years. Okay. You're both nearby or far?
Yes,
The
we're
house.
nearby. We're nearby. Actually, we're cousins.
Oh, your cousin. Oh, they're cousin. I did not notice that they are cousin. The resemblance of their faces is not really, you know.
That's why we are so
They don't have this resemblance. But so we are now. The upcoming Christmas is very high energy. The children are running because we are preparing for we have this Christmas tree. So we hope to witness the celebration, the lighting, what we call this, the testing of the Christmas tree. But of course, Christmas trees, we talk about it afterwards. Name again? Jeriel. As a family woman, how did you or would you celebrate your Christmas together with your family?
Simple as we gather each other. We have some dress up and have color motif. Last year we celebrate it, Pastor. We are wearing nude colors.
Oh,
So for now we are preparing. We're wearing blue.
wow! Very specific of the color of their shirts. I witnessed this polka dots. They call it polka dots. A lot of dot here. People, yeah, it's one of them. How about
Me?
yeah?
Can I speak Tagalog?
Yeah, you can.
Because I'm not fluent in English. Simple. We celebrate lahat kami, magpamilya. Then, salo-salo.
Tapos same, mag-dress up ng naka-color coding.
Wow. Same as Jerry, no? They have their this dinner, and of course, this address for the to reach Christmas, to attract some good vibes, and that is how the Filipinos celebrate their Christmas. Can you share with me first the saddest Christmas ever experienced? It's okay to cry. Charang! It's the saddest Christmas that you have experienced. Alright.
During 2021, it was pandemic days.
Yeah.
My husband don't have work. I already work as a employer in the hardware company.
Yeah.
Actually, ako lang isa yung nag-provide ng needs ba ng pamilya namin. Kaya, pastor, nung last time na 21 na Christmas, may picture pa kami. Wala talaga kaming handa, pero kompleto kami. Kasi, nung time na yon nagkasakit yung anak ko, pastor ba? Yan ba siya? Nagkabaon-baon
look at this guy.
pastor, si Richmond, nagkabaon-baon kami sa utang. Kaya mas prefer ko bayaran muna yung mga utang namin bahala, wala kami anda at least kompleto at buo
Yes.
kami mag-celebrate pastor.
That's practical. I like the idea. Paying first the debts and before celebration. Because if you celebrate...
Sa celebration din pastor na buo kami ba?
Yes.
Buo kami. Kasi okay lang walang handa, basta at least masaya, buo kami na pamilya.
You know guys, being intact together with the family is already a celebration. Because families are seldom to gather together. You know, like me in our house. My children are they are now young ones, and they are single. They are bachelors, and we see just in the evening, see each other in the evening. Sometimes we got home with my with Mom's son. He's sleeping. When I get up, she's in the school. He's in the school. So it's hard. So that's why being together is already a celebration. Okay, how about you?
Me, my sadness year
Yeah.
is last 2010 because my daughter died.
Oh,
Yeah, she is 1 year and 4 months old.
okay. Do you mind if I ask what is the cause?
The cause of death niya is may pneumonia siya, tapos kulang siya ng bad bacteria sa katawan. So kailangan talaga ang bata expose mo talaga siya sa init, sa lahat, sa community. Kaya yung anak ko is, ako trabahante man kasi ako dati sa SM. Bali si mama, hindi man kasi siya nagalabas. Kaya nung dating yung uncle ko galing abroad, na bali nag-celebrate kami ba, napunta kami ng resort, tapos doon napasukan yung katawan niya ng bad bacteria, so hindi yung katawan niya.
Hindi nakayano ng mga nung kanyang immune system. You know guys, sometimes letting the children play on the playground, on the earth or on the soil is good. Why? Because it's a practice of the Americans. I don't know if Filipinos are so protective. You know, like that. Americans want their children to get muddy, get some dirt over the over the body, and of course, it's sad to hear that, but you move on.
Yes po.
Okay, she already moved on. So let's move on again. Let's move on. Let's go to the merriest Christmas that you ever celebrated.
Last year,
Oh,
2023,
right?
because I had get one child.
Okay.
Yung mga anak ko na is nagdagdagan ng isa.
Oh, you got pregnant.
Yes.
Wow. When was that? In this episode.
2023, June 2023.
And you didn't expect it to happen.
Yes.
Oh my God! Wow, what a blessing! You know, a surprise pregnancy is very, very blessed because some of couples really wanted to have a kid.
As long as we can provide.
Congratulations, you got it. Congratulations. And How many children you have?
I have 3.
So only two are left.
No. Yung isa is 15 years old, then the next, yun po yung nawala. Then, may nagsunod na, last 2015, I got pregnant, then 2016.
Wow.
Bale, I'm so happy na yung nawala siya, yung nawala last 2010,
It replaces?
Yep, opo. Na-replace siya ng same babae.
Oh,
So, I pray for it.
congratulations. And the long interval is very hard. The long interval, it's a lot of adjustment.
Yes.
That is why me and Sol, we produce 1, 2, 3 because we don't want a long gap. That's why today they are all at age, so we can go around and we can leave the house because they are old enough to take good care of themselves.
They can manage.
Yeah, they can manage already. Wow, congratulations. And let's go deeper. How did you, I know it's a hard question, but how did you manage your finances? I heard that only you is working. That's before.
That's before, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please give us an idea or give us a glimpse of how did you overcome to manage your finances? Because 1,000 pesos is just like a 100 pesos today. This day, I got 7,500 and it's only 2,000 left and I will spend it this afternoon. That's how money will,
One click.
yeah, that's money, how fast money is. Okay, can you give us a little glimpse of your budgetary strategy?
Actually, na umaalalay ako sa asawa ko kasi kung siya lang talaga, 4 yung anak ko, 16, 14, 5, and 1 year and 4 months. Kung siya lang, kulang talaga. Sanay din ako pastor, mag-work. Hindi ako sanay magstay na. Magantay lang ako kung anong ibigay ng asawa ko sa akin kasi kulang talaga.
Okay.
Yun, kaya may may sideline.
Okay.
Maganda man yung trabaho ko before. I
Okay.
work as a logistics staff.
Wow.
Yun nga, nabuntis ako ng anak. Yun, ang laking adjustment kasi mahirap yung may baby pastor ba. Wala kang sana iwan.
Yeah.
Iwan, kaya yun, last na yun. Last na talaga yun.
Okay.
Kaya ngayon, sideline ng online business, ganun.
Wow, magaling yun. Maganda ang online business, guys. Don't you know that online business is now booming? Lumalaki ang industriya ng online business. Ako rin, online din kami. Yung work namin is online din. We produce videos and upload it to the YouTube. And of course, YouTube is, we're having hard time, but it's okay. Pinoy is taking care of us. And how about you?
Ako, meron akong small store. May mga beauty products.
Wow! Oh, see?
Binabenta ko.
Beauty products. At ginagamit mo yung beauty products mo.
Opo. Pero sa tingin ko, ewan ko, effective.
She sells beauty products. And I'm asking if she used her own product. Oh, yes. Oh, how did you manage to using your products and is it a large profit or just a minimal profit? Beauty products. How it goes?
Small lang siya kasi maliit lang kasi yung tindahan ko, tapos yung is ginapautang ko siya 1 week or yung iba, depende sa iba kung magbayad na sila sa akin. Minsan hindi na, naka-step neck na yung mga baby. Hindi pa sila makapagbayad. Yung iba naman nagsasabi na next time na kaya wala silang pera. Yun. Wala talaga siya.
That's reality in life.
Oh, utang.
Yes.
That is utang. When we said utang, lipay-lipay. Bayad, likay-likay. When you intend to loan money, very happy. When the payment is come,
Naka-stiff neck na.
stiff neck. Doesn't know the people.
Dead ma.
Dead man. Alright.
Look like a duck.
Okay. How did you manage it? To raise it, the lifestyle, I mean.
Ano, simple lang. Kung ano lang talaga yung financial na ano, yun lang talaga yung ginabudget ko. Kaya kung bili pa ako ng hindi, ay yung wala lang, kumbaga walang kwentang mga bagay.
Yeah.
Wala talaga. Kaya yung husband ko is guard lang po siya, tapos 3 months siya nag-stop. So, last month lang siya nagbalik.
Wow.
Tapos yun lang talaga ang nakatulong sa amin, yung tindahan ko na mati.
Mabalik tayo sa pinag-uusapan kayo na. Let us step back. You have 15-year-old,
Yep, opo.
is a daughter or son?
San po?
What the year?
Grade 10 po.
Grade 10.
And
Oh.
scholar po siya sa MR.
Wow. MR Scholar.
Opo.
She has a young man already. And your panganay is your eldest.
Same, she's turning 16 this December
Oh,
20.
they have young ones. But it doesn't look like they have. They still look young. They still look
This
younger.
is my youngest.
Oh, they look. So this is now the second.
The youngest.
The youngest. Oh, wow. It's marvelous that we have this guest today that they have this lifestyle. Guys, why I interviewed these two ladies here because I observed that when we get meeting, when we have a gatherings, they are so jolly.
Yes.
They enjoy. That's why I'm being intrigued, and what I want to know more about them. That is why Pinoy Rob is here, so that people we know what the character of the people we can share also to the people that we have this guest, we have this personality that I thought they are unapproachable, but yes they are. Okay, so, likes and dislikes. Likes and dislikes. Ikaw muna, you first. Ano ang gusto mo at hindi mo gusto?
Yung gusto ko.
Ouch! O, iba naman yung tinatanong ng wife ko. No. My program is a wholesome program. I won't ask such question. Maybe off cam. Maybe off cam, but not here. Okay, erase. Okay. Likes and dislikes. Ano ang gusto mo o hindi mo gusto?
Yung sa sarili ko, Pastor, or
Sa sarili mo.
ano ko, yung madali lang akong magalit talaga. Pag
Patay.
maghanap akong bagay tapos hindi ko makita.
Okay.
I can't see it. I will go,
Oh,
sige talaga ako, saan ko na lang.
easy to get angry. Wow. Easy to get angry when she doesn't found the thing that she's looking for. How about what did you like to your personality?
Ano, approachable, jolly.
Ooh.
Mahilig talaga ako magkipagkaibigan.
Hindi siya halata.
Tapos ano ako,
it is not
madaldal.
obvious that she's approachable.
Madaldal din ako. Yung
Okay.
madali lang ako makahanap talaga ng kaibigan.
Okay. How about you?
Dislike, siguro, malita daw.
Same.
Maldita.
daw. Pero ay, mabait ako, promise.
Oh,
Tapos
mabait.
like,
Same.
like,
Kuripot siya.
siguro kuripot.
Good.
That's why I'm
Okay,
a believer.
punta tayo sa mga in-laws. Let's proceed to the in-laws.
Ah.
Either mother or either the mother-in-law or the father-in-law. Which is which?
Ah.
The mother-in-law or the father-in-law?
Actually, Pastor, hilaktan sa kaning ang part.
Okay.
Wala joy, my husband is an adopted.
Okay.
So, every time we kanang
Have gatherings.
no, Pastor, maka-encounter with struggle in life ba?
Wala
nga-
mapupuntahan.
Oh, yes, makahilak na lang mi nga.
Oh.
Kanang listen to nga, wala day ginikanan nga kaduulan. Same sa kanang pares kung husband,
Yeah.
wala ko siya igsuon. Nana ba niya kanang, ay, makahilak ko.
You know guys, yeah, go, please,
Listen to
please.
kayo, listen to kayo siya mga sahay, naabot gid sa time nga, di na lang akong bana nga, nga nung ikaw pa man akong nabana,
Ouch.
uy nga,
Naman ka, oy.
oo nga, sa kanang, dili gubod siya kabalugod, mang, actually, ako pastor kanang, dili, kanang man, diskarte man dyan ko nga pagkatao, pero siya, kay kanang hilumonom siya, nara siya sa balay ba?
That's why I told you I quote the word of Rob. Shy people never get ahead in life.
Nara gid siya sa balay.
Oh, see. Huwag maghiya-hiya. Okay, huwag
Pero
mahiya-hiya.
okay lang kay, As long as na si God
Amen.
maka-overcome ko kay during that pandemic days akong gingon wala siya trabaho, ako lang tanan nag-pray ko, actually ay tanan ka kanin kabalo jud ko buto.
Wow.
That's my business and during the pandemic tanan halos nagtinda na sila din anak ko nagstorya ko kanang silent sa Ginoo ni anak ko Lord tagay ko way nga ma-provide na ko ang needs sa akong mga anak kay ako gid
Yes.
na kumasan akong bana wala jud mi kaduulan ato that time tapos grabing struggle namo kay dako kay mig utang sa Adventist
Wow.
as in
That's the
dako
hospital,
kay utang.
right? Oh.
Yeah, then mo to nag-pray ko nga syempre pastor kanang wala kanang na plain housewife na lang ta ba wala na gyud tay kanang pangartig is self
Okay.
kanang self-confidence with I
Was unaware lang, was unaware.
Yes. Then I nag-apply ko sa company, then I got hired.
Wow.
Oh, during that day mo to naka-overcome sa mga nakatapos ako within 2 years.
Okay.
Tapos grabe akong opportunity ato pero tungod lang po sa kumbana, wala gi-refuse na ko siya kay bali na mong company panabo. Tapos gusto sa akong amo, ganun jud ko niya, dili man sugod akong kumbana kay layo na to, murag dakong adjustment sa amo. So ipa-stop jud ko trabaho sa kumbana.
Okay, see, we have two things here. First, babalikan ko yun. We have two things here, two issues here. Let's go back to having none of the parents, both. You know, guys, if you do have parents, love them. Why? They do not choose to be like that. Even sometimes they are, they're lazy of us, My mother is just, give her, you do this, you do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, very, very, sometimes like that, but they're still parents. And we need parents. So if you have parents, love your parents, give importance to them, and give time to them at least if you are with your parents. But if you are not, at least you can text them, how are you? You can send them GCash. Oh, I have this 1,000 pesos. Please enjoy it. That's a little thing, but it can refresh the happiness to our parents. It can give happiness to them. Okay, how about ma'am?
Me, never talaga ako nagka-mother-in-law kasi ano pa lang yung husband ko is wala na ang mama niya.
Oh, there you're both. Right?
Yes, tapos sa father-in-law naman, mga actually 16 years na kami. Tapos yung father-in-law ko, mabilang ko lang sa kamay ko na nakita kasi taga Surigao sila.
Okay.
So mga 3 times or 4 times ko lang nakita. Bali, bless ako kasi ang kapatid ng father-in-law ko is yun siya ang, kumbaga, naging father-in-law ko ba kay siya man ang kasi ang nandito sa side ng husband ko.
That's good. And guys, telling you, love your parents, respect your parents. If you want your life longer, we have a saying. It has a verse that respect your parents, magiging maligaya kayo, tataas ang buhay ninyo. Simple lang. If you want a long life and a happy life, respect your parents, love them. Because they are your parents. You will not be coming out of this world, you will not be existing without them. Though sometimes we realize that it's better for us to, not to be born. Why? Because of the situation, because of we are in a very poor society and a very, very limited opportunities. But if we're just masibot, sa Tagalog, kung masibot lang tayo, kung ano lang tayo, ano lang tayo, tawag nyo, persistent lang tayo. If we're just persistent, guys, there's a lot of things to do. Okay, one more question, one more and last question. Meron pa tayong time. We can still do some chats. Okay, another question. Sino ang nagger? Ang asawa o ang asawa lalaki o asawa babae? Sa inyo. Who? Nagger, yung
Akalang
Mangaway.
Ay, ako.
Why? Why is that? Why?
Yung galit na talaga. I was so angry but then my husband I didn't see him have a reaction.
Yeah.
She's very calm about the situation. Yun lang, okay lang na siya ng okay. Tapos ako sobrang yung dapat ganyan. Tapos siya, wala lang, relax lang.
Okay. How about you?
Me, sometimes, pero sa 16 years namin kayo, hindi man talaga kami nag-away talaga ba kayo. At malaki ang adjustment to sa akin kasi alam niya na nagger ako, so ayaw niya talaga na mag-nag ako kayo para hindi talaga mag-visit yung ano ba, yung bahay. Kaya iba talaga ako magalit.
Pag nagwala
Ako, ay hindi man ako nagawala, pero hindi talaga ako nagsalita na bahalag 3 days na hindi mag-usap. Basta hindi lang talaga ako mag-nag kayo. Ang ginaisip ko ba yung mga bata na makita nila na ganyan ka, tapos baka maano nila ba, kaya yung ma-adapt nila. Kaya ako hindi talaga ako maldita lang talaga ang mukha ko, pero hindi talaga ako nagger.
Okay. Thank you for that. Can you cite a neighbor which yung gusto mo? Pwede mo i-mention ang pangalan, pwede rin hindi.
yung neighbor.
Yung kapitbahay mo na gustong-gusto mo.
Siguro kung pinsan ko talaga.
Kayo talaga.
Yes, kasi if I go to school, sunod ito yung anak ko, iiwan ko yung punsong anak ko sa kanya.
Yun ang maganda dun, kapag wala kang kapitbahay, wala kang mapag-iwanan. That's the advantage. That's the advantage there, guys. If you don't have a friend in the neighborhood, in your neighbor, you don't have somebody to live on, to lean on. If you have something to pick at the school, nobody. So you can entrust your thing to somebody. That's why
be humble always.
be humble always. Be humble always.
Para yung mga silingan, ganahan.
Yeah. Be humble always so that your neighbor will
Love you.
Will love you, will value you. Okay.
Yes.
There is a saying that don't push yourself to the people who will pull you down, but rather engage yourself to the people who will lift you up. That's a good question. That's a good answer, and that's a good thought. Okay, parting words. Anong sasabihin mo sa anak mo at sa husband mo? Message.
Sa mga anak ko, mag-aral kayong mabuti kasi education, yun lang, yung mabigay namin sa inyo kasi yun lang pwede na naiwan namin sa inyo kapag sabi nga, inuulit namin ng papa nyo na pag may makatapos na isa, maging successful, susunod din yung iba kasi mag-start lang yun talaga sa isa, parehas sa aming dalawa, na kami lang ng papa nyo. Yung mga iyak ko, basta yung mga iyak ko, makita niyo man yun lahat ng mga sacrifices ko, tapos pag-aaral lang talaga. Then sa asawa ko, laban lang din. Laban lang kay ay Jud. Ayaw Jud sa ringdara sa kamay dito sa mga asawa.
Correct. Anong pangalan husband mo?
Richmond.
Wow.
Mayaman.
Richmond.
But he is not rich.
Be someday, just hold on. Okay, si ma'am.
Ako sa mga anak ko, mag-aral kayong mabuti, same. Tapos, sana magdako mo na may takot sa Diyos. Kung unsa kung ginatubo sa inyo masulod sa inyo utok. Kung unsa ta magipadako, ikuan ninyo kay para ang gusto is ang inyong matarong na kaayuhan pagdako ninyo. Then,
Husband.
sa akong husband, salamat sa tanan. Tapos, salamat sa pag-provide, sa pag-intindi nga bruha ko sa Hayden.
She toned down her voice. It's a secret
I
thing.
love you.
Okay. That's a good thing. Yes, guys. If you just realize that life is wonderful, even if we have a very, very simple life or simple living, we can be happy.
Yes.
We can be happy. Nasa sa atin po yun. We can be happy. Because money cannot give happiness. Cannot give joy. But I can just provide happiness, but not a joy. Joy is permanent. Joy is everlasting. But, happiness is just passing by. No? We have this, we have that, and we are happy. But after all, when you got home, bumabalik pa rin yung problema natin. At saka guys, ang maganda dito, na-interview natin ngayon ang mga mother. Next episode natin guys, maghanap tayo ng mga guys, o maghanap tayo ng mga husband na ating i-interviewin. I will be looking for a husband na i-interviewin ko. Kasi my son is, he is focusing on the young people and then the young ones. And I will for the adults. So, salamat sa pagbibigay ng time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's an honor to interview a superwoman here in the community na mga palaban na ang bana sa to the one that you said, yeah, is it you said yesterday? Na,
Yes,
Oh.
I was the one.
oh, he said, she said that your husband won't die for you.
Only Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
Kaya mo sa
it's a,
inyong husband?
it's a punch. It's a great punch. Well, anyway, thank you for the time and thank you for the thoughts and the it's hard to share about your life, but there you are. You're allowing to be interviewed and it's an abrupt interview. Walang practice, walang rehearsal. So yun ang maganda dito. At saka, muntik na tayong madapa kanina sa ano yun. My wife is here. And, so, muntik na tayong madapa sa ating mga questions. Buti na lang na-rescue natin. Guys, salamat po. Please do. Panoorin niyo po yung mga episode natin. Sa Pinoy Rap YouTube channel, meron tayong Kabuhayan Special, hosted by Giselle Restauro. Meron tayong Joyride, hosted by Jerilyn Parcon. We have this Urban Zone hosted by Marvin Baguio, and of course my wife, the Kulturang Pinoy, and they both also the newscasters for my son is for the English and then my wife is for the Tagalog, and of course Marvin and Jerilyn is the weather forecaster. They just started forecasting weather, and my program is Good Morning Dabaw. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Good Morning Dabaw, episode of the Pinoy Rap YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the moment together with the two ladies, and I hope also that at least, kahit paano, it gives you an idea, it gives you a glimpse of how to do your things which you don't like to really improve and things. Guys, sa mundo po, dapat maging maligaya lang tayo. Let's enjoy our life. Life is too short. Make it, use it, enjoy it, and maximize your time. This is Gilbert Lopez Martica. So, good morning, Davao.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.